Hey everybody, Chris here, and fall is as well. Oh my heavens, I'm so excited. I love fall, it's my favorite. There are two types of people, apple cider people, hot chocolate people. I am apple cider people, all the way. Today I'm gonna show you how to mull apple cider, which another word for that is spice cider. You can do it yourself, just get fresh cider and add some things to it. Really easy, makes your whole house smell like fall. It's better than any candle you'll ever buy, and you can drink it safely. Apple cider differs from regular apple juice because of the recipe that goes into making it, just the blend of apples that is used. I love unfiltered. I think that it tastes a little bit better, and the fewer miles it travels from the field to you, the better. That's really the case with most fruits and vegetables though. We're gonna use 1 gallon of cider. It's really, really easy, super delicious, and only about an hour of steeping time, and then it's ready to drink. So let's do this. Ridiculous, it's so good. Y'all, the aroma that's in this house right now is crazy, and the flavor of this is so, so good. There's no powder or packet of something you can add to water that is gonna taste like this. Give it a try, ring in the season, and let us know how you like it. The full recipe is linked in the description of this video. Take care and make it for somebody you care about.